Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Sit at the piano with a straight back and relaxed shoulders for good posture. Adjust bench height so your forearms are parallel to the floor and wrists float comfortably over the keys. Place feet flat, using the right pedal lightly when needed. Set a metronome to 60 BPM for initial slow practice and count aloud through each beat. Breathe evenly between phrases to reduce tension, and keep your hands relaxed as you begin simple coordination exercises at the keyboard. Begin by practicing each hand alone for 5 minutes, focusing on accuracy and rhythm. Use finger numbers 1 to 5 and play slowly with clear articulation and even tone. Isolate 4 measure patterns and repeat them 10 times, keeping a steady tempo and consistent dynamics. Mark tricky spots with a pencil and slow those bars to half speed until comfortable. Keep hands relaxed and wrists supple while gradually increasing speed by 5 BPM increments when accuracy is maintained. When hands are secure separately, begin together at half the practice speed with the metronome. Play small sections of 1 to 4 bars, then link them consecutively once they feel steady. Focus on aligning key downstrokes on strong beats and allow weaker beats to breathe naturally. Use rhythmic variation and accent mismatched beats to build independence and mental separation between hands. Increase tempo in 5 BPM steps and stop if errors rise, returning to the last comfortable speed to rebuild coordination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.